Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of Sid the Kid. If you didn't watch the first video of Sid the Kid, go ahead and do that now. This is our second day with Sid the Kid, and we already learned these words, these sight words. So we're going to go ahead and play Beat the Teacher with the sight words. You're going to say the word before I do. Ready? Say the word. The. Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. To. Say the word. His. Say the word. With. Say the word. Said. And say the last word. Like. Did you remember your sight words from yesterday? How did it go? The other thing we've been working on is our CVC decodable words. So let's take a look at some of those now. With CVC words, the middle vowel says a short vowel sound. Get ready to say the words with me. Ready? Say the sounds. T, ag, tag, j, og, jog, up, hop, l, ot, lot, ox, fox. All right, keep saying the words out loud with me and the sounds. Ready? Here we go. Op, mop, k, ub, cub, at, hat, ub, sub, k, id, kid. All right, last row. Ready? Here we go. P, it, pit, s, ad, sad, b, am, bam, d, ud, dud, mom. Great job reading your CVC words. Now we're going to take a look at our story that has CVC words and those sight words in it. We're going to put it all together to read it. Let's read together. Ready? Say the words with me. Sid the Kid. I met a kid. This is Sid. Sid is 6. I am 6 too. Keep reading the words with me, friends. Sid will get his pet. He has a pet pig. I will sit with the pig. Can this pig run? I said. Yes, my pig can run, said Sid. Sid and I like to run with the pig. We can zig and zag. The pig will zig and zag too. Last page. Keep reading with me, friends. Sid and I will sit. The pig will sit too. We had fun. Now, friends, were you able to read all the words with me? Did you try your best? Awesome. Now you're going to do some duet reading. This time, I'll read the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say Sid, you would say the, and I would say kid. Let's try it. Sid, kid. Keep reading all the yellow words throughout the story. Here we go. I, a, this, Sid, is, I, 6, Sid, get, pet. Has, pet. Did you keep reading all the yellow words? Nice job. I sit the can pig. I yes. Pig run. Sid and like run the we zig zag. Pig zig zag. All right, last page. Finish strong. Sid, I sit. Pig sit. We fun. Now that we've read the story together, we are going to answer some comprehension questions. Let's take a look at the first one. Read it out loud with me. Who did I meet? Say your answer out loud. What's your answer? Page 1, it tells us, I met a kid. This is Sid. So your answer is Sid. All right, read the second question with me. Ready? Here we go. How old is Sid? Say your answer out loud. Okay, if we take a look at the first page, here it tells us, ready, read. Sid is 6. All right, we have one more comprehension question, checking if you understand what you read. Let's read it. What do we like to do? Say your answer out loud. All right. Here it shows us on page 4 what we'd like to do. Ready? Read with me. Sid and I like to run with the pig. Is that what you said? Awesome job on your comprehension, friends. Now it's time for some writing. Find this sheet and get your pencil ready. We're going to start with our CBC words at the top. On the first line, you are going to write the first CBC word. On the first line, write the word kid. Say the sounds and write one letter for each sound in kid. Kid. Write the word kid on the first line using your best handwriting and make your letters go from top to bottom or middle to bottom. Kid. Kid. Take a look at the word kid. K is a K, I is I, and D is your D. On the top, you can put a check mark if you got kid. If not, pause the video and fix it now. Kid. On the second line, you're going to write the word pig. Write the word pig here. Say the sounds, and then write one letter for each sound in pig. 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 Pause the video if you need more time. Here we have the word pig. P is a P, I is an I, and G is a G. On the top, put a check mark if you got it. Pause the video if you didn't, and make your letters look like mine. The P goes down and the G goes down under the line. Pig. The next word that you're going to write will go on our final line. This is the word had. Say the sounds in had, and write one letter for each sound. Had. Had. So you have the word had here. If you need more time, pause the video. Take a look at the word had. Is an H, A is A, and D is D. Put a check mark if you got it, and if you didn't, pause the video now and make yours look like mine. The H and the D go all the way from top to bottom on the lines. The A is below the dotted line. Had. We're going to move on now to the second part, which is our sentence. Go down to the star on your paper and get ready to write your sentence. This sentence has 4 words. The words are she said yes to. Say it with me. She said yes to. The first words are she said. Write the word she on the first line. She. She. You can say the sounds and write letters for the sounds. She. She said. The second word is the word said. Write the word said on the second line. Said. She said. Remember that there are some heart words, heart sounds in these words. She said. Pause the video if you need more time. She said yes to. So we did she said. Our third word is yes. Write the word yes on the third line. Yes. She said yes. Say the sounds in the word and write letters to represent the sounds. Yes. The last word is to. Be careful in the spelling of to. There are 3 different ways you could spell it. And this to is the same, has the meaning also. So you're going to write the word to, and you're going to spell it in the way that it means also. She said yes to. To. Make sure to put an end mark at the end of your sentence. She said yes to. Pause the video now if you need more time in writing those words. All right, take a look at our first word, she. The word she has an SH digraph at the beginning to say sh, and the E makes its long E sound. Sh, E. Put a check mark if you got it, and fix it if you didn't. She. She. Notice I have a capital S, an uppercase S beginning my sentence. Make sure yours is big like mine in uppercase. She. Our next word is the word said. S is an S. Is my hard part. The is made by an A and an I. S, D. And remember with a D that the circle part goes first. Said. Check that your word said looks like mine. If it does, give yourself a check mark. If not, make it look like mine now. Notice the D goes all the way up to the top, from the top to the bottom. Said. She said. She said yes. Yes is a CVC word we can sound out. Y is a Y. Is an E. And S is an S. Yes. Put a check mark if you got it. If not, correct it now. Notice the Y goes right below our line. Make sure yours looks like mine. She said yes to. When we are saying to and it means also, it's t-oo with 2 O's. T-O-O. To. Put a check mark if you got it. If not, make it look like mine. Don't forget your end mark. In this case, I put an exclamation mark because I was having this sentence have some enthusiasm and excitement in it. A period or an end mark, exclamation mark, both of them are just fine. Check your sentence and make sure it says the same as mine. She said yes to. Pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, awesome work today. Keep up the great job, and you're going to continue becoming better and better at your reading. Way to go, friends.